Hi guys, we are back with Bigg Boss discussion and it is about the yesterday's episode. The captaincy task continued in the house and we have Arushi with us who will tell us more updates.
So yesterday Bigg Boss house saw another big fight in the house and all credits goes to Swami Om once again. We cannot skip Swami Om when we talk about Bigg Boss. And yet again he is not ready to take his defeat. Already he is out of the captaincy task, but he is still very much adamant that if I am not the king, I'll definitely be the kingmaker.
So he has to be in the limelight every day.
Yeah, but
for other reasons, right?
His reasons and his ways of getting the limelight are completely not acceptable even to the housemates and to the audience equally. We saw that he was out of the race and Lopamudra went inside the igloo much ahead of him, but still he was not ready to accept it, and Bigg Boss had to intervene and ask Swami Om to leave the task.
I think Arushi, he already cleared that in the earlier stage that he is going to cross all the limits to win this task.
Exactly.
Right. So he's very desperate to become the captain probably this time.
Not only the captain, he is so much into the show that he wants to gain all the limelight, and he's not even ready to listen to
any of
Bigg Boss. So he's like कि जो
and
Priyanka,
he's abusing him too.
Yeah,
right?
exactly. And he even says that जो प्रियंका जग्गा नहीं कर पाई अब वो मैं करूँगा. So he even says that I only have abuses and I don't have any faith in Bigg Boss now. And later we see him blocking Rohan's way and hurting Rohan in the way. Mm-hmm. So, and all the housemates gets again
with him again, right?
Yeah, but I think Bigg Boss didn't intervene. He didn't even tell Swami Om to stop all this, and he should maintain certain decorum in the house. But yes, Bigg Boss didn't intervene, and we saw Gaurav, Lopamudra and Bani lashing out at Swami Om. And again, the liar which he is, Swami Om once again says that I didn't do any of this.
But ultimately, I think the two contenders for the captaincy is Manveer and Rohan. So what do you have to say about that? Rohan has been a captain two continuous weeks, but he did not prove well, right?
And Manveer has been a captaincy contender in the top two for the third time. This is the third time that he is a captaincy contender.
The last one, we saw a major accident happening in the house too. Right?
Yeah, he got hurt while performing the task. Now today we will see that how Swami Om will sabotage Rohan Mehra's task for the final captaincy, and in return Rohan will slap Swami Om, and for this Rohan will be bashed by Bigg Boss and he'll be punished, and he'll also be nominated for the entire season. So let's see what happens in the Bigg Boss house today, and stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching IndianExpress.com.